Did you know that diamonds with the exact same 4 Cs can actually look very different? There's a range in price and beauty when it comes to diamonds with the exact same 4 Cs. This isn't something other jewelers like to talk about, but as your friend in the jewelry business, we want you to have all the info you need to make the most informed decision when choosing a diamond. Take a look at these diamonds. All 3 diamonds have the same 4 Cs in their GIA certificate, but we'll show you how they're different. Here's one from another jeweler. You can see the presence of significant inclusions. And another. In this case, the diamond has a foggy or cloudy appearance. It will absorb light and sparkle less. This is a Shane Company diamond with the exact same 4 Cs. It's clearer, has fewer flaws, and is overall a more beautiful diamond. We advise our customers to take a closer look at diamonds, which can be done via the 360 views on our website, or by looking at a diamond in our store through a loupe. At Shane Company, you can be confident that you're choosing from the best of the best. There are 2 reasons for this. First of all, we've been in the diamond business for 4 generations and have long-standing relationships with several diamond suppliers, which means they reserve the best rough stones for us. And second, we examine each diamond and go the extra step to only hand-pick the most beautiful diamonds within each grade. We look at each individual diamond with several sets of eyes, looking for things like inclusions, placement of those clarity characteristics, cloudiness, presence of a higher influence of fluorescence, which is less desirable and can make a diamond look oily in certain cases. And for different diamond shapes, we select the best shape outlines, symmetry, and finish. We leave the ones that don't meet our high standards for other jewelers to sell. When you shop for a diamond at Shane Company, you'll be selecting from the best assortment available on the market. As your friend in the jewelry business, we want you to feel educated about your decision. We're proud to offer you the most beautiful selection of diamonds in whatever grade and price you choose.